This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ford F-150 sound louder. We'll explore various exhaust system upgrades, including aftermarket mufflers and resonator delete options, to achieve that desired aggressive tone. Additionally, we'll touch upon how cold air intakes can subtly enhance your truck's engine growl. Get ready to transform your F-150's auditory presence on the road. Upgrading your exhaust system is a primary way to boost your F-150's sound. Catback systems replace components from the catalytic converter rearward, offering a noticeable change. Axle-back systems, on the other hand, focus on the muffler and tailpipe for a simpler modification. For the most dramatic sound transformation, a full exhaust system replaces everything from the engine back, providing maximum impact. Mufflers play a crucial role in your truck's sound. Aftermarket mufflers come in diverse designs, each producing a unique tone. Chambered mufflers typically create a classic, aggressive rumble, while straight-through designs offer a louder, more open sound. Additionally, a resonator delete pipe can significantly increase overall exhaust volume, giving your F-150 a more pronounced and powerful presence. Beyond exhaust modifications, other upgrades can enhance your F-150's sound. A cold air intake can add a subtle, satisfying engine growl, complementing your exhaust. Headers improve exhaust flow from the engine, potentially increasing overall volume and performance. Remember, professional installation ensures optimal sound and proper function. Always check local noise regulations to ensure your modifications comply with the law.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.